It's your special day, so let's rejoice with laughter, love, and a joyful noise. May your heart be filled with glee on this day of celebration for thee. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year of bliss filled with love and happiness. May all your wishes.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mary!
Hello, Che. Happy birthday. Kamusta ako, Tim? Tulog na ako, bro. Pakaila pang video. Happy birthday pa si Ryan. Miss na kayo rin yan. Tungod na ako. Mingat ko palagi yan. Miss you. Love you, Che.
Day, sure.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Love you. God bless. One.
Thank you, Niega na gana. Love you. Happy 50th birthday.
Thank you and we love you. You're the best, ate.
You're the best, tita. We love you so much, Mama Chuk Chuk.
Happy birthday, Che! God bless. Love you. Ingat ka lagi kayang biyahe mo na pagsasawap ka ng kay mga pasyente mo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Mary. Love you.
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday! We love you. You're the best cooker ever.
Happy birthday, Tita Mary. We love you. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Mary! God bless you always. Heart.
Happy birthday, Tita Mary. Wish you all the best. I love you.
Hello, Ate Mary. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. We wish that we could be there. Kaso, due to circumstances, di kami makapunta. Anyway, Ate, we love you. Happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Mary! We love you. Ingat kayo dyan. Mag-enjoy kayo dyan. Love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Enjoy your day. I love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Che. Thank you kay Ngega na gana. Kayang suporta mo kaya kami, kapatid mo, kayang lugod. And pamantabi mo palagi na kaya kami. And lalo na kanako kapag kailangan ka, palagi kang atsu. Although palagi kang busy kayang biye mo. Thank you kasi panaya kang atsu kayan para kaya kami. And malibatan niyang mawalay may kanang tinalakad pa yung ari ni. Salamat kay Ngega na gana. And sana i-bless na kapalalong Lord. Gabayan na ka lagi kayang obra mo. And thank you. Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Happy birthday. I love you, Tita Mary. Happy birthday!
Hello, Kaputo. Lalit. Happy birthday. I love you. Thank you very much. Sana sikanam niya pa yung lumuan. Kaya kang rosas na puso. Pagpatuloy mo yan. Thank you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama! I love you.
Great na.
Hello, Mom. Happy birthday. I love you. Hey.
Happy 50th birthday, Mama. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Tita. Hi, Tita. Happy birthday po. Wish you good health and happy life. Love you.
Happy birthday ulit, Ma. Thank you. King Ginagana Sakripisyo. Wishing you the greatest, living longer life, longest living successful life. Proud kami kaya King Ginagana kaya kami. Love na ka. I love you so much. So much. Sobra. Thank you, God bless. Love you.
May your dreams come true. Wishing